With the Galaxy S25 series just around the corner in early 2025, Samsung is offering some seriously tempting year-end discounts on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So should you wait for the S25 Ultra or jump on the S24 Ultra while it's available at a great price? Let's break it down. While the idea of holding out for a few weeks to grab the S25 Ultra sounds tempting, there are a few things you'll want to think about, especially if you're trying to get the most bang for your buck without splurging. The Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display that supports a 120Hz refresh rate and an insane peak brightness of 2600 nits. Plus, it's covered with Corning's top-of-the-line Gorilla Armor glass, which is ultra-durable and reduces reflections, giving you a crystal-clear viewing experience. In fact, the S24 Ultra's display is vivid, sharp, and makes movies look out of this world. So, is the S25 Ultra going to blow this out of the water? Not likely. Recent rumors suggest that the S25 Ultra will feature the same N13 OLED screen as the S24 Ultra. The peak brightness, refresh rate, and resolution will probably stay the same, with the only change being a slight increase in size to 6.9 inches. Honestly, unless you're holding both phones side by side, most people probably wouldn't even notice the difference. Now, when it comes to performance, yeah, processors are always improving, but there's a limit to how much we can actually do on our phones. Sure, the S25 Ultra might have a new Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is 3nm chip, but the S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is 4nm, but it is no slouch. Ranked as one of the top smartphone processors, it can handle everything: gaming, photo or video editing, graphic design, and more, without breaking a sweat. Plus, Samsung has promised 7 years of software updates for the S24 Ultra, which is way more than most phones out there. Even when the S25 Ultra arrives, the S24 Ultra will keep getting new features, like the Galaxy Eye tools with the One UI 7.0 update. And let's talk cameras. The S24 Ultra's setup is seriously impressive. With 4 rear sensors and a zoom range from 0.5x to 100x, this phone is built for everything from stunning portraits to super zoomed shots and 8K video. Sure, there were some camera tweaks at launch, but Samsung has been rolling out updates to improve the performance, and the upcoming One UI 7.0 update should make it even better. The S25 Ultra is rumored to have a 50 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, downscaled to 12.5 megapixels via pixel binning. But beyond that, it's not expected to change too much. So if you can grab the S24 Ultra at a big discount, it's a solid deal, especially considering the camera quality is already top-notch. When it comes to battery life, the S24 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery easily gets through a full day of moderate to heavy use. Sure, the charging speed isn't as fast as some other Android flagships, but it's far from slow, and you still get reverse wireless charging if you need it. The one thing the S24 Ultra really nails, though, is the S Pen. Whether you're taking notes, snapping photos remotely, or sketching with the new sketch-to-image feature, the S Pen just adds a whole new level of versatility that you won't get on the S25 Ultra, or any other flagship for that matter. In a nutshell, the S24 Ultra is a seriously impressive device. With its gorgeous display, powerful chipset, amazing cameras, and S Pen, it stands out as one of the best smartphones you can buy right now, especially at a discounted price. If you're upgrading from a Galaxy S21 or S22, or even switching over from an iPhone, the S24 Ultra is a solid choice. For anyone with a $1,000 budget, this phone should be at the top of your list. So, what are your thoughts on the S25 lineup? Are you holding out, or is the S24 Ultra looking like the better deal? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.